Now, in the meantime, talk about when it comes to Donald Trump's big statement that has sparked politics in India. As far as India Now bloc seems to be invoking the immigration issue, saying that probe the charges first, but what about the immigrants and in which condition that they have been mistreated and brought back home? As far as Uddhav Thackere's Sena seems to be slamming the Modi-Trump dosti, saying that this is completely different on what is shown, Hina, as we just heard IP Singh too saying that what is shown as dosti is completely different with the way that treatment is being given to Indian citizens or the illegal immigrants who have been brought back home.
Well, that's right. And we have this reaction, Amita, coming in from Priyanka Chaturvedi. There you can see she has put out a post on social media platform X, and she says, and I quote, while Trump's comment on $21 million as aid is being highlighted by the BJP army, which without a doubt needs to be investigated, what this highlight is attempting to hide is President Trump's hammering of tariffs against India, constantly berating BRICS, sending illegal immigrants in a humiliating way and publicizing their humiliation. Then she is also mocking Trump, Modi, dosti, question mark. That's what she has written. Now, clearly, all of this is something that other leaders of the opposition have also picked up, because recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited the United States of America, where he had a meeting with his good friend Donald Trump. But that's where only Trump, before his meeting with Prime Minister, announced the reciprocal tariff policy. But the point is that it's not just with India that Trump is looking at a reciprocal tariff policy. It's happening with other countries as well. That was his poll plank too. Remember, he has come with a vision to make America great again. And Trump, a tariff and immigration, these are the two things. And when it comes to the immigrants here, these are illegal immigrants. And, now in the past as well, we have seen the way these illegal immigrants, the Indians, the way they are being deported to India, the condition in which they are being deported to India has been raised by the opposition in the past as well. So now also the opposition raking this up.
And we've already seen the External Affairs Minister making a statement on the very same issue, and it is not just about illegal Indian immigrants who have been sent back from all over the world, who have been illegally living in the United States of America. This is the promise that was made by Donald Trump before the elections, and he seems to be walking the talk on that promise only.